Hi, this is Sudhindra with Google. In our previous video, we saw how to download and install Edge Microgateway. In this video, we will see how to configure it and what are the different configurations that are available in Edge Microgateway. The configurations have to go inside the YAML file, which is located under your home directory .edgemicro folder, right? The file name will follow a template. It has your org name hyphen the environment that you're using on the Edge side hyphen config.yaml. So the YAML file will have all the default configurations and additional configurations that you would want to do on the micro gateway. Now let's see what my configuration file says here. The first couple of lines are the URLs that micro gateway will use internally to download the initial configurations, whether it is product related configurations or whether it is some of the keys that it has to download for making the connection, etc. So these configurations need not be modified in your installation. They are automatically configured when you do the initial wiring, the configure command that we did in the previous video. All the configurations under Edge Micro are the important ones. The first one is the port on which the micro gateway has to run and listen to. The default configuration is 8000. Obviously, you can modify it based on your network requirement. The next two are mainly for protecting your micro gateway instance and also your backend. So in this case, you're specifying how many simultaneous connections should micro gateway handle. When it crosses that number, the micro gateway will stop those connections and start throwing an error response back. This is mainly for you to protect against DDoS kind of an attacks. Micro gateway downloads all the configurations from Edge periodically. You can override the interval. The default value is 600 seconds. If you want to manually reload the configurations, then you can use the reload command from the CLI or restart the micro gateway itself. The next couple of lines are mainly for specifying the log level, the location where the log file has to be generated, etc. Plugins are an important part of this configuration. They're very similar to policies that you have configured on the Apigee Edge side. They help you extend the capability of the API that are deployed on micro gateway. In this case, I have an OAuth plugin. The OAuth plugin has different parameters. They are specified under the header section here. You can use any of the existing plugins or create your own plugin using Node.js. So in a future video, we will show you how to create your own plugin. Analytics, as a matter of fact, is also one of the plugins that we use internally to push all the analytics data from micro gateway to Edge, so that when you log in onto the management UI, you not only see APIs that are hosted on Apigee Edge side, but you also see all the APIs that are running on micro gateway. And finally, the header section indicate whether micro gateway should keep or drop the X forward headers as part of the request and response cycle. So these are the basic configurations that are created as part of the micro gateway installation. If you want to read about these configurations in detail, you can see them on our documentation page. The link is given here. In our future videos, we will modify these configurations and add new configurations to enhance the behavior of micro gateway. If you have any questions in the meantime, please ask them on community.apigee.com. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.